How do people become managers? It's a great question. After all, how many managers left their education thinking, do you know what? One day I want to be a manager. So how does it happen? It's normally because they're a great technical expert. They're conscientious. They're hardworking. They get loads of things done. They work long hours. So on top of their technical expert job, they're then given perhaps a team to look after. But this isn't necessarily a very good recipe for success. After all, most managers who've taken this route find it difficult to let go, to empower. The thought of having coaching and review conversations and giving feedback and dealing with difficult people situations is perhaps the last thing that they want to deal with. Often technical experts love being, yes, a technical expert. So until companies actually have two different career paths, one for technical experts and one for people with management skills, the two are going to go together. But what we've got to do is help these technical experts make this transition and then help them to enable their people to step up and be good. Because after all, these people are normally control freaks and they've got perfectionist tendencies. No, they shouldn't dumb down their standards as perfectionist tendencies, but being a control freak causes problems. They work longer hours, they create more stress, more anxiety in themselves and their people, who get frustrated because they won't let go. So if your managers need support and help in transitioning from technical expert to manager and on to leadership, I'll be happy to have a conversation and explain how we can help you support the managers with ongoing coaching along with management and leadership programs. Let's see if we can come up with a successful plan for the future of your technical experts who've just been made into managers and then need to step up into leadership.